Okay, students, and the next example, CO, cobalt, NH3 5 Cl2. Okay, then first find out oscillate state. How we can find out oscillate state? Cobalt plus 5 into. Did you remember the charge of ammonia? What is the charge of ammonia? Ammonia is neutral ligand, charge of ammonia is 0. And this is why I said to make that table. Okay, 5 into 0, 5 into 0 plus 1 chlorine. Chlorine charge is minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Plus, okay, coordinate sphere over. Now 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Total equal to 0. Then cobalt 5 into 0, 5. Minus 1 plus minus 2 equal to minus 3 equal to 0. Cobalt equal to plus 3. So we got the oxidation state plus 3. Now next step, find out positive and negative part. Chlorine minus 2. 2 chlorine minus 2. So this is minus 2. Charge is minus 2. So if it is minus 2, what about the charge of coordination sphere? Plus 2. So this is cation. This is anion. So complex is cationic complexes, cationic coordination entity. So we can start from here, not the counter ion. Previous example, counter ion is coming in the left side. So counter ion is positive and coordination sphere is negative in previous example. Here counter ion is negative. So name of counter ion will come last. Okay. Now in cation, ligand and metal is present. Here two ligand 1, ligand 2. So out of these two ligand, which one will come first? NH3 is, what is the name of the ligand? Amine. Cl is chlorido. Okay, in coordination complexes, chlorine is ligand name is chlorido, NH3, not ammonia, amine. Then if two ligand comes, what will do? Check the alphabetical order, A and C. So alphabetical order, amine is coming first, chloride is coming second. If both are A, amine and aqua, water is aqua, both are coming A, then compare the second letter. Okay, like this. Amine, first ligand is amine, second ligand is water. Water means what? Ligand name is aqua. So A same. Then MQ. Compare this order. Okay. For this case, amine and chlorido. So amine will come first. So we can write the name amine. How many amine? Penta. Clear, no? 5 amine. Penta. Amine. Then chlorine 1. So no need to write mono, chloro. Just we can write chlorido. Pentamine chlorido. Now can you see the compound? Yeah, here CONH3,5Cl. So pentamine chlorido. What is next? Then metal. Metal is cobalt. Then one more thing, complex is positive. Clear? The coordination sphere is what? Positive. And counter ion is negative. Listen, already I said, if coordination sphere is positive, no need to write ATE, 8 along with the metal. So you can write directly what? Cobalt. Not cobaltate. When you can write cobalt 8 ATE, if this value is negative, minus 2, you can write cobaltate. But here it is positive, so write cobalt. Then after cobalt, then after metal, write this oxidation state. Cobalt. Don't write plus 3, write like this, Roman letter. Cobalt 3, not over. After cobalt 3, then counter ion. Counter ion, no need to use dye. Just directly you can write what? Not chlorine, chloride. If negative ligand, negative counter ion end with the IDE. For example, sodium chloride, Na positive, Cl minus, IDE. So chloride. So this is the name, pentamine chlorido cobalt 3 chloride. So from this name, how we can write the formula? Pentamine, NH3. Okay, 5. Why I put bracket? Because there are two elements, so you have to put a bracket. If only Cl, no need of bracket. Now pentamine, chlorine, because IDO indicate chlorine is ligand. Okay, IDO indicate chlorine is ligand, ID indicate chlorine is counter ion. Then only one chlorine, and one more thing, no need of bracket because Cl is single element. Then cobalt 3, so it is cobalt is metal. Okay, then no ATE, so this is positive part. Then IDE, Cl will come here. Okay, IDE. Then how many charges will come? That you put 3 here, and okay, here you put 3, then total charge become equal to 0. And how to write the formula from the name I will teach you after 3 or 4 example. Okay. Okay, next is K3 potassium, Fe C2O4 carbon, C2O4, then 3 times. Okay, then first we can find out oxidation state, K3, so 3 into 1, potassium is plus 1, so 3 into plus 1, 3 into 1 plus, then Fe plus, then 3 into charge of C2O4. What is the charge of C2O4? Oxalate minus 2. So 3 into minus 2, total charge is equal to 0. Okay, so 3 into 1, 3 plus Fe, 3 into minus 2, minus 6 equal to 0. Then 3 minus 6, Fe minus 3 equal to 0. Then Fe equal to plus 3. Okay, in the case of iron, always two possibility, plus 2 or plus 3, ferrous or ferric. Okay, if plus 4 is coming, you check the calculation again. Okay, sometime any mistake will be there in calculation, so always you can expect plus 3 or plus 2 in the case of iron to oxidate state. Okay, now we can write the name. K3 potassium is plus, positive part, this is negative part, this is plus 3, here it is minus 4. Okay, so first we can write the positive part. K3 is counter ion, so we can write potassium, no need of try potassium, just write potassium. Then negative part, metal and ligand, only one ligand, so we can start to write from this ligand, tri. 3 means what? Tri. Then C2O4, oxalate ion, oxalate ligand, negative ligand end with O, so trioxalato. Okay, then next is Fe, iron or ferrate, because complex is negative. Okay, here positive, the full coordination sphere is negative, so we can write, instead of iron we can write ferrate, ATE, ferrate. Then oxidation state 3. Clear? Okay, now the next example is what is the name? Potassium trioxalato ferrate 3. Okay, next is K2 PdCl4. Okay, central metal atom is palladium. Now plus 2, potassium is plus 2, so this is minus 2. Okay, then we can write like this. If you want, you can use one more method for finding oxidation state. You can find out like this: Pd plus Cl4, 4 into minus 1, then equal to minus 2. You can do like that also. Okay, without taking K2, directly PdCl4 minus 2 you can find out. Pd plus 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. Then Pd minus 2 minus 4. Okay, here minus 2 minus 4 become plus 4, so equal to plus 2. Palladium is plus 2. Now we can write the name. Potassium, only one ligand, chlorine, tetrachlorine. Chlorine, what is the name of ligand? Chlorine. Chlorido. Then complex is negative, so palladium, palladate. Then charge is 2. Potassium tetrachlorido palladate 2. Clear?